Where the mud had settled down and the water above it looked fit to be had, so he collected some water in a pot and brought it to the Buddha. So after watching that the water is totally good and fit to be drunk, so he just collected some water for Buddha and just got back. Get to the next para. The Buddha looked at the water and then he looked up at the disciple and said, "See what you did to make the water clean. You let it be, and the mud settled down on its own, and you got clear water. Your mind is also like that. When it is disturbed, just let it be. Give it a little time, it will settle down on its own. You don't have to put in any extra effort to calm it down. It will happen. It is effortless." So in this para, Buddha is just giving a very good teaching to his disciple that if you have any condition that is totally not suitable for you and you are just trying to give you 100% to make it fine, so in this type of situation you don't have to do anything, just let it go, just keep yourself calm and it will be okay by itself. Get to the next para. What did the Buddha emphasize here? He said, "It is effortless. Having peace of mind is not a strenuous job. It is also effortless process where there is a peace inside you. The peace permeates to the outside. It spreads around you and in the environment so that people around may start feeling the peace and grace." So in this para, Buddha is just giving the teaching of peace of mind, means you will have to be calm, that is called peace of mind, and your mind must be still so that you can just take good decision in tough situations. Because by looking at you, some people are also going to learn something from you that is going to make their life good. So all this in chapter. Thank you.